Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Edna and I'm with A&C Consulting Group. Last time, we talked about estimated taxes and their importance. We also noted that self-employed business owners who expect to owe at least $1,000 in taxes are required to make quarterly estimated tax payments. Today, I want to look at one of those taxes that self-employed individuals are required to pay, and that is self-employment taxes. And I want to start off by asking the question, what exactly is self-employment tax? Self-employment tax is a tax that is levied on self-employed individuals that is equivalent to the FICA tax that employers withhold and contribute to for their W-2 employees. Some business owners confuse self-employment tax with income tax. Self-employment tax is not income tax. It is a tax that is in addition to income tax. The self-employment tax rate is 15.3% of net earnings. And it is made up of two parts: Social Security and Medicare taxes. The Social Security tax rate is 12.4% of net earnings up to $137,700 for the 2020 tax year. The Medicare tax rate is 2.9% of net earnings. There is no income limit on Medicare taxes. And high-income earners may be subject to additional Medicare tax of 0.9%. As a self-employed business owner, if your net income for the year is $400 or more, you are required to pay self-employment tax and also file Schedule SE with your tax return. Business owners who do not adequately plan for their self-employment taxes may be in for a surprise come tax time. And some of these small business owners do not have the ability to come up with large sum of money to take care of their self-employment tax at once. And moreover, they may be subject to underpayment penalties. That is why it is very important that self-employed business owners make quarterly estimated tax payments and spread their tax payments over the year. One good news about self-employment taxes is that 50% of the self-employment taxes can be taken as a tax deduction against income. Remember, if a self-employed business owner expects to owe at least $1,000 in taxes, they are required to make quarterly estimated tax payments. These payments are generally due on the 15th of April, June, September, and January. For more information on self-employment taxes, please contact A&C Group at 757-460-3910. That's it for now, and thank you so much for watching this video.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comment.